Let's look at the structure or components of ISO 9001. ISO 9001 2015 structure is consistent of 10 components or 10 sections or 10 clauses as follows. Clause 1, scope, and it defines the scope of the standard and the intended outcomes of a quality management system. Clause 2, normative references, and it provides references to other standards that are relevant to the application of ISO 9001. For all ISO folks, each ISO has a normative references which says you can refer to that other ISO when you are applying that current ISO because it has some beneficial information or data which might help you while you are applying that specific ISO. So for that ISO 9001, it has some normative references which might refer you to other ISO which might be of help while applying ISO 9001. Clause 3, terms and definitions, and it includes specific terms and definitions used in the context of that standard. Clause 4, context of the organization, and that requires understanding the organization and its context, including the needs and expectations of interested parties. And it also involves understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties. And it defines the scope of the quality management system. And it can establish the quality management system and its processes. It is a very important clause. The fifth clause is leadership. It emphasizes the role of top management in leading the quality management system and ensuring its integration into the organization's processes. And it can include requirements for commitment, customer focus, establishing a quality policy, and defining organizational roles, responsibilities, and authorities. Clause number 6 is planning. It involves actions to address risks and opportunities, quality objectives, and planning changes. The next clause or clause number 7 is support, and it covers resources, competence, awareness, communication, and documented information needed for the quality management system. It means the support that you will need to apply your quality management system, resources and competence and awareness you will need to apply your quality management system. The next clause or clause number 8 is operation, and it deals with the planning, implementation, and control of processes needed to meet quality management system requirements. It is too much concerned about the planning, implementation, and control of processes needed to meet requirements for product and services. And it also can include requirements for operational planning and control, for customer communication, determining, and for customer communication as well. The next clause or clause number 9 is performance evaluation, and it focuses on monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation, including internal audits and management reviews. The 10th or last clause is improvement, and it requires organizations to determine and select opportunities for improvement and implement necessary actions to meet customer requirements and enhance customer satisfaction. I just talked to you briefly about the structure or clauses of that ISO 9001, folks. I will talk to you about these clauses one by one in details in the next videos. Please stay tuned.